So, hi guys, this is my first ever video on YouTube, on welding. I've literally just opened this workshop, my first workshop. So at the minute it is a hobby. But yeah, I'm into TIG welding, so I landed up buying myself an AC/DC TIG welder, so to do some aluminium work, some stainless. I've got myself a MIG welder as well. Good old extractor. A bit noisy. I won't have it on today. I'll probably have it on a bit later on, maybe if I need to, just because the fumes and that. But no, this is my little workshop that I've opened up. Not much is going on at the minute. I just have an aluminium checkered plate project that I've got to do for somebody. But yeah, I mean it's coming together nicely. I built this nice table last week. Obviously it was Easter bank holiday, so I thought, well, I need a bench. So I decided, okay, gonna get myself some wood and a nice tabletop. Finally got a saw. Obviously this is, it's a fairly big saw. It's an Evolution. I think it's the 355 or something like that. It's a lot of power. Cuts through steel quite easily. Obviously bench grinder, a couple of bits of tools that I obviously need to start with. I have a proper fixture table coming in soon. Welding fixture table that I purchased from Mac Industries, so I'm quite excited to get that. Hopefully that should be soon. Having my logo engraved on it at the minute. But yeah, I mean, yeah, so I'm looking into do like custom work, like whatever seems to come my way really. So I'll try and get as much welding videos I can to show you guys what I can do, and I do enjoy welding, so this is why I'm starting up doing this. So anyway, I hope you enjoy this channel. If you like, subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll show you basically everything that I can sort of do, and let's see where we go. So yeah, for my first video, yeah, I'm a bit sort of nervous at the minute. It's obviously my first video posting something on YouTube like this. So yeah, I'm about to do some TIG welding. I'll see if I can get you guys some videos and some shots of me doing a bit of TIG. So yeah, let's get into it.
So yeah, at this point I'm trying to practice on some 3mm just to see if I can stack some beads, which I did manage to stack some nice beads, but I didn't get any penetration, so I landed up just keep messing around with the settings until I got it right, and then yeah, it worked out pretty well in the end. Thanks for watching, see you guys on the next one.